Hello all and happy holidays. My name is Alex and welcome to Tech Corner hosted by Nude Computer Guys. Today I'm going to walk you through how to change the background in your Zoom meeting. So you might ask yourself, why would I want to change the background in my Zoom meeting? Well, the first reason is sometimes the background you have can be distracting and can prevent people from focusing on the content you want to present. The other reason is you might have a really messy background or a messy office and you want to just hide all the stuff in your background, and that's another reason, so you don't have to worry about trying to clean up what's behind you and make it all presentable. So let's go ahead and dive in and I'll show you how to go about changing your background. So for those of you that are on a Mac computer, you can do the same thing in Zoom as I'm going to be doing in Windows. So for those people on Windows, you'll want to go ahead and make sure you've downloaded the Zoom Workplace, where you can get that through the Microsoft Store. And once you have it installed, go ahead and click on it. And you might, if you don't have a Zoom account, you can go ahead and sign in. And I always recommend either signing in with Gmail, or I think they have Apple or Facebook or something like that. So that way you don't have to create a whole new account and one less thing to have to remember for a password. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of start a meeting. So this will simulate this simulation of you joining a meeting. I'm going to go ahead and select don't connect to computer audio, but most of the time you'll want to select that. So I'm going to hit exit and continue. And so here we are in the Zoom meeting. Now, if I want to change my background, I'm going to click on the little camera icon right down here. I'm going to kind of shrink it here so you can kind of see. So you'll see either join audio or an audio section in a video. So I'm going to click on the little up arrow next to the video, and then there's an option that says adjust background and effects. And from here, I can then, so these images right here, I'm going to close this one, delete, and delete. So these images right here are usually your default Zoom background. So you can always just blur your background if you want to keep it easy. If you don't want to do that, you can, select San Francisco. And see, I have a green screen, but yeah, did not like that. So yeah, so you got kind of multiple backgrounds. You got some video options too. But then there's an option that says that's a little plus sign. So if I click Add Image, I can now go to any photo I want and select that as my background. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and voila, it's now changed. Now you might see some other options where you can do an avatar. So if you want to make yourself an avatar, you can do that. I usually recommend avoiding some of this stuff because this can be very distracting, especially in a more professional environment. I'd pretty much just focus on the background, but if you're at a holiday party or something like that, then yeah, that's totally fine. So as you can see, they have a lot of different things you can do. Video filters, you can do a video filter if you want. And then you can do a whole studio effect, and there's a lot of different things you can do, which is kind of interesting. Eyebrows and beard and everything, so you can have a lot of fun with this. But yeah, ideally avoid doing that more in the professional environment because that can definitely be distracting. So hopefully you found this tutorial to be very informative. If you liked it, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much and have a good rest of your day.